Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in our tiny balcony. Happy Friday and happy weekend. It's a long weekend this weekend because it's a holiday in UAE. December 1 into it's a 54-year National Day of UAE. Enjoy your weekend, guys. It's a long weekend. I don't know if my employer had a holiday. That's why I did not commit for December 2 because I don't know if they have holiday. You know, the nurse, usually they don't have holiday. Their work don't have holiday. I commit only December 1 because it's nighttime dinner. Diabetes dinner. See, this is our tiny balcony. Happy weekend, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I hope tomorrow I can wake up early because I want to go walking in the and that road. The end of that road is a lake park. And the next road is the Cornish Beach. We are very near in lake park in Cornish Beach. Tomorrow I will be able to go walking 1 to 2 hours walking beside the lake park, around lake park and beside the Cornish Beach. Bye guys, enjoy your weekend. I need to pick up the kids in school. The school is done. Bye. See you later. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.